Step 1. Remove the engine cover. Step 2. Remove the NOx module and mounting brackets behind the intercooler. Step 3. Remove one bolt from the passenger side diagonal brace and one bolt from the battery support. Step 4. Connect the short half-inch hose to the top of the reservoir, the half-inch drain hose to the bottom of the reservoir. Secure both connections with 2 small clamps. Step 5. Remove the passenger side wheel and then the fender liner. Step 6. Locate the PCV hose at the back of the turbocharger and disconnect the hose. Step 7. Connect the double-end barbed fitting to the PCV hose that was disconnected from Step 6. Secure with the factory clamp. Step 8. Connect the J end of the PPE outlet hose to the turbocharger PCV inlet. Secure with a medium clamp. Step 9. Connect the small end of the PPE inlet hose to the other end of the barbed fitting. Secure with a medium clamp. Step 10. Route both inlet and outlet hoses to the compartment behind the headlight. Step 11. Install the edge trim to the welded seam underneath the hoses. Step 12. Place the oil separator into the compartment with the lid off. Connect the inlet hose to the top and the outlet hose to the bottom. Step 13. Secure each hose with a large clamp. Step 14. Install the assembly prepared in Step 4 to the bottom of the oil separator. Secure the short half-inch hose to the separator with a small clamp. Step 15. Place the mounting bracket over the welded seam of the core support. Install the separator to the bracket using the provided nuts. Step 16. Secure the mounting bracket to the core support, reusing the bolts removed from Step 3. Make sure the filter media is firmly seated. Make sure the relief valve on the separator is not stuck and returns after being pressed, then install the lid. Step 17. Zip tie the drain hose to secure. Step 18. Reinstall the fender liner. Keep the end of the drain hose exposed. Step 19. Trim off any excessive hose length and install the provided plug with a small clamp. Optional step, tuck the hose end inside the fender liner. Installation complete.